Imagine an industry where DC motor is running and suddenly it stops. What if we could predict it before the DC motor fails? So here we started with taking the normal readings of a DC motor, and then we generated the faulty readings with the help of the AI agents, and then we created a classification model, a window classification model through which we'll come to know about a normal DC motor and a failed DC motor.
So our project here is a crowdsourced open platform for every responsible citizen of Solapur. The user can go there and upload an image of a pothole and also give us the GPS location of the pothole. We will detect the severity of the pothole using Gemini Vision AI. It uses the severity in a range of 1 to 10 and also the confidence. And we will update the heat map of Solapur such that SMC administrator can view the heat map and decide which road is more harmful, and he will plan accordingly to repair the road.
So we have worked on the topic AI assisted drug polymer interaction. So basically we have used MATLAB online tool to prepare or to identify the compatibility level of a drug and a polymer. We have taken different data sets and the parameters used were temperature, pH, stability, molecular weight, particle size, interaction strength, and finally the output was we have to identify the compatibility. So this model is prepared by us, and as we can see after prediction it showed high. So in this way we can use this to identify the compatibility of any drug and their polymer interaction.